As I showed you in my original video, I took the time to come down here and do the survey work for the creek at flood stage. In my opinion, that's when all the decisions were made for a successful bridge build. Hi there, welcome to Southern Iowa Luddite, July 29th, 2025. We've had an incredible amount of rain in July here in Southern Iowa. This shows you the flood stage level of the bridge I built over my creek, and it really demonstrates why we chose this spot right here to build the crossing. This is the creek flowing to the east. And coming back here from the west, you can see we're at about 20 feet on the flood stage right here. And it is really rolling through here. Bridge is holding up great though. Here's a shot, we're nearly at flood stage. You can see the bridge is just above as we expect it. I can't imagine any more rain coming down in a short period of time and having a much higher water level in this part of the creek. So when you build something like this, take the time to do the survey work to really make sure that when you're at flood stage, you got your bridge in exactly the right position. As I always say, get it done with what you got. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.